Oftentimes, when people hear about earning online, they think it will eat a lot of their time before they can actually receive earnings. And we understand this concern. But this is not true for a lot of websites. That is why in today's video, we will provide a few websites where you can receive your earnings fast. So if I were you, I would keep watching and find out which website will work best for you and start making money online pretty fast. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and truly doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. If you have your laptop, computer, or cell phone ready, that is all you will need. There is no cash that you need to take out of your pocket to start earning. The will to earn is your biggest investment and everything else is for free. You also need to know that we will show you the websites one by one, but we highly recommend that you go to the website yourself. Look around, scroll up and down, and discover the website yourself. This way, you will know which website will work best for you, and you will be able to maximize your time in earning online. Are you ready? If you are ready, we will get started with the first website, superpay.me. Superpay.me is indeed super. Have you ever answered a survey before? Maybe you called a call center and they sent you a survey to answer and hear your thoughts about how they help you. Superpay.me will pay you to do exactly just that. Answer surveys. Companies usually need to hear from users about their products and services to know if there is a need to improve or just to have a general idea of what people think about their company. With this site, you can cash out quickly with just $1 in your account. So there is no need for you to wait for your earnings to accumulate just so you can get your hard-earned money. You can get paid through Amazon, PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. You will also get the pay the same day you did the job with superpay.me's 8-hour payment promise. Check out the website, take surveys, and watch your money grow. Have you ever taken a survey before? Did you have to do it for free? Or was there a coupon when you took a survey? With the first website we showed you, you can actually earn. Share your experience in taking a survey before in the comment section down below. If you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. For you to not miss out on new videos and uploads, click the notification bell. And while we are at it, hit like and subscribe too. Now, let's go back to the video. Moving right along with our second website, this one is called surveytime.io. Yes, it is indeed survey time. With surveytime.io, you can get paid $1 for each survey you take quickly. If you have the time and can do 10 surveys a day, that is $300 in a month you will not have if you are just sitting around doing nothing. Take advantage of this opportunity and turn your free time into an asset. Surveytime.io can pay through various payment options like Target gift card, Coinbase, Amazon gift card, and PayPal. Once you have completed a survey, you can cash out your earnings instantly and choose how you would like to get paid from the options provided earlier. Perhaps the best thing about surveytime.io is that all surveys will get you to earn $1. A survey could take you 3 minutes to take and you will earn $1. If a survey takes you only 1 minute to answer, you will still earn $1. Visit surveytime.io today and discover new ways to earn money online. For our third website, we have offernation.com. We are still inside the survey world with offernation.com. You can take the survey from the comfort of your own home or anywhere else you might be in the world and get paid instantly. You can get paid with Skrill, Amazon, Bitcoin, PayPal, and Tango Card. This site is one of the fastest websites to pay the users, offering instant PayPal cash and more. You need to know that offernation.com protects the data and information you share too. It has been around since 2013, so you can feel safe that this website is legitimate and will not share your data with unauthorized third parties. Do you want to know what kind of surveys you will answer? The following companies need feedback from their users, so you can expect to answer surveys for Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, Pandora, eBay, Netflix, PayPal, Uber, Lyft, Airbnb, and so much more. Are you enjoying the video so far? Isn't taking a survey online such an easy way to earn? I mean, you do it for free sometimes, so why won't you do it now and earn extra cash on the side? You should be able to use your laptop, computer, and even just your cell phone. The website is accessible, so be sure not to sleep on this opportunity. If you are enjoying this video, hit the notification bell for more. Like and subscribe if you think this will help you in reaching your financial goals this year. Now, back to the video with more exciting websites. Let us continue with our fourth website, which is citizenme.com. Citizenme.com is another application that will pay you to answer surveys. What's special about this site is that they pride themselves with what they call zero data. You might be wondering, what is zero data? Maybe let us get started with what is data. Data is information. It could be information about you, another person, or group of people. Now, what is zero data? Zero data means citizenme.com is not saving the data on their own system. The data you share when answering surveys is stored on your device. This means that citizenme.com is protecting the data you share on their app too. Data privacy appears to be their priority above all. Just as promised, this website doesn't have a minimum balance for you to do a payout. You can also withdraw to your PayPal account. Moving on with the fifth website for today, earnably.com. Earnably.com offers to pay you instant cash, gift cards, and more if you complete tasks for them. The tasks could be answering a survey or watching videos. It doesn't get easier than this, right? Choose what you need when it is time for you to claim your earnings. You can have your earnings through PayPal, Amazon, Domino's gift card, Dunkin' Donuts perks, and more. You need to snack today? Choose a payout with Domino's. Need a little caffeine kick? Get yourself Dunkin' Donuts. There is something for everyone, as this website says. You can also share your referral link, and every time someone uses your link to sign up, you will get 10% of your referral's earnings. Sounds like a pretty good deal for me. Check out earnably.com and discover why this website is my favorite. If you have reached this far into the video and you have not subscribed yet, hey, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification bell for more videos on how to make money online. Smash the like button if you think this will help you in reaching your financial goals this year. Now, let us move on with the last website. For our last website, we want to show you instagc.com for instant gift cards. You just need to answer surveys, watch videos, shop online, or search the web. Choose which tasks fits perfectly for you, and when you have accumulated enough points, redeem for gift cards. The gift cards will be sent to you digitally, so there is no need to wait for your mailman. You can use the gift card in store or online. You can also redeem points to PayPal, Bitcoin, Target gift card, and more. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.